About short MCQs of past ETA paper. The longest bond is of hydrogen iodide, hydrogen oxygen, hydrogen sulfur, hydrogen chloride. Bond length depend upon two factors, that is electronegativity and size of atom, or in other way we can say the shielding effect. Electronegativity has inverse relation with bond length, while the size of atom or shielding effect has direct relation with bond length. Now, according to these two factors, the bond length of the said elements are calculated as 127.5 picometer for hydrogen chloride, 161 picometer for hydrogen iodide, 134 picometer for hydrogen sulfide, and 96 picometer for hydrogen and oxygen. Now looking at this information, the greatest value for bond length is for hydrogen iodide, that is 161 picometer. So the answer is hydrogen iodide. Which of the following pair have same electronic structure? Argon and chloride minus, calcium and argon, magnesium and sodium plus, silver and tin. So we will look at the number of electron of these four pair of elements. So argon has 18 electron and outermost orbital is 3p. Chloride neutral has 17 electron. Now here the chloride minus is given, so one electron should be added. It becomes 18 and it exists in 3p. Calcium has 20 electron and outermost orbital is 4s. Argon has 18 electron and the outermost orbital is 3p. Magnesium has 12 electron and the outermost orbital is 3s. Sodium neutral has 11 electron. Now here the sodium plus is given. So sodium plus has 10 electron and outermost orbital is 3s. Silver has 14 electron and the outermost orbital is 4d. Tin has 50 electron and the outermost orbital is 5p. Now looking at this information, argon and chloride minus has similar values, that is number of electrons are 18 and outermost orbital is 3p and 3p in both cases. So the answer is A, that is argon and chloride minus. If 10 liters of carbon monoxide reacts with sufficient oxygen, the number of liters of carbon dioxide formed will be 5, 10, 15, 20. So we will solve it. First we will write the chemical reaction, balanced chemical reaction, that is 2 moles of carbon monoxide react with oxygen, 1 mole of oxygen, it will produce 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Now from this balanced chemical equation, the number of moles of carbon monoxide consumed will be equal to the number of moles of carbon dioxide produced. And we also know that the number of moles are directly proportional to the volume. So we can say the number of volume or the volume of carbon dioxide produced will be equal to the number of or volume of carbon monoxide consumed. Now here in question it is given as 10 liter of carbon monoxide, which means that it becomes 10. If it is 10, then carbon dioxide will also become 10 because the number of mole in both the cases becomes the same. So the answer is B, that is 10 liter of carbon dioxide will be produced. To what volume in milliliters must 50 milliliter of 3.5 molar sulfuric acid be diluted in order to make 2 molar sulfuric acid? 25, 60.1, 87.5, 93.2. So we will solve it. We will use the dilution formula, that is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. Now stock is given, its volume is given and its molarity is also given. Diluted form molarity is given, but we will find the volume. So on rearranging this formula, V2 is equal to M1 V1 divided by M2. Putting these values, 3.5 molar is M1, while V1 is 50 milliliter divided by 2 molar is M2. Solving it, we will get the volume 87.5 ml. So the answer is 27.5 ml. You can also follow the Facebook page ETA NMDCATE and Engineering in Test Preparation. At this page you will find the past NMDCATE papers. You can also subscribe the channel for more videos.